Back here at a Costco. Just came for one thing though, running a couple errands. We just came here yesterday actually. And well, we went to another Costco. They didn't have the working hands thing. I didn't know that he needed more, that he was all out. So I looked online yesterday and it's on sale. I think $4 or $5 off. I made this trip especially for him for one item. So let's do it. I think it was right here. Maybe it's somewhere else. Because it said in stock, so I'm confused. Alright, so they're all sold out of it. The manager checked for me. I believe she was the manager. And they have 68 of them at another Costco that's 8 miles away. So I'm gonna go there and see if it's there. I never go to this one. I always forget about it because it's new. So it's the new one by Durango Casino on Buffalo. On the hunt for Timothy's hand cream. Here we go. I can't even see if I'm in frame because I have my sunglasses on. Costco number 2. There's so many people at Costco today. It's a Friday. It's really nice outside though. It's I think it's 67 degrees, almost 67 or something like that degrees today. It feels like spring. It's really nice. I love this weather. I don't really know where everything is at in this Costco, so I'm just gonna assume that they're all kind of similar. Wherever the pharmacy stuff is, that's where all the hand creams and face lotion is and stuff. Let's see here. Lotions? Maybe it's... Yes! Now since I went through all this trouble, maybe I should figure out like if it has an expiration date. That way I should get 2 of them. I don't see one. Got it. Just got one. He said just to get one. Since it is a lot of it, it'll probably last them a year. It took him about a year. No, it took him about half a year to go through one of these bottles, maybe. I don't know. So I just got one. Mission complete. Now I could go get a Starbucks and enjoy the rest of my day. I think I have to go to Ikea though. There's Ikea. It's right down the block from the Costco we just went to, so it's not bad. And I only need one thing. Hopefully. The problem is am I gonna remember where it is? Let's see how quick I could get in and out of here. Believe it or not, there's a lot of traffic in Las Vegas now compared to when I moved here. I think it's double the amount of traffic now. And the freeways start to get crowded around 3-ish until 7 or 8. So that's why I like to get all my errands done pretty early now. And Tim wakes up pretty early, 4 o'clock every morning. So, you know, sometimes I can fall back asleep, sometimes I can't. I think it's this way. Tim knows this place pretty good. I don't remember. Just gotta look for the shower stuff. I think I'm getting close. I think I kind of remember since we just came. We came about a week ago, so it's fresh on my mind. Yeah, it's over here. Bingo! One of these for my shower. To hold my shampoo and conditioner. Just because I don't like this one anymore. I'm too short. I can't reach the top rack. So like, what's the purpose of having this big old contraption? And mine is bigger. So I'm just gonna get this little basket. Oh, cute. Where am I going? Oh yeah, I'm trying to get out of here. Pretty empty in here. Those cinnamon buns. Not sure if you remember watching Tim's vlogs maybe 8 years ago. He used to get those a lot. Those used to be his favorite. But after COVID, they changed the recipe or something. They're a little bit more drier, not as moist. He said he doesn't like them anymore. Or maybe it's just because I make them homemade better. I don't know. They have some Christmas stuff on clearance. I can't get distracted. All right. Oh, I need a straw for this. Cute little dogs. I saw something on Twitter. It was funny about a dog in the back seat, and then they rolled up the window. All right, done with Trader Joe's, on my way to Whole Foods, which is right like a block away. You know, Trader Joe's never lets you film in there, and I just don't want to chance it and them to tell me anything. So I just obey by the rules. It's right posted on their doors. I didn't get anything excited. No junk food at all. Broccoli, stuff for salad. I'll show you, but I need romaine lettuce because the one at Trader Joe's did not look good. So that's where we're gonna go. Stop in here. Usually it's really fresh in here. The new Whole Foods. It's really big and nice. It reminds me of the one on Las Vegas Boulevard, actually. It's so big, like that one. All right, got my romaine lettuce. The Trader Joe's haul, since I can't film in there. This is what I got.
You can film in there.
No, I can't.
Just do what you want.
Nice shirt.
Just do whatever you want.
Got bananas. Healthy stuff.
Which one should I put in my car? Big ones?
Probably. Broccoli.
I guess they're all going to stay out here, huh?
Yeah.
Well, they're going to go inside, but.
This is for Valentine's Day. I'll show you what I make with these. Look at, they usually, these are only, the people saw I had to go to 2 Costco's to get that.
Look at. How much was it?
$20.99.
But then $4 off?
Yeah, no, that's with $4 off. The regular price was $24.99. But it's still a better deal than what I got on Amazon. There you go.
Yeah, but if we bought just one, how much is this on Amazon?
$12, I think.
Really?
Yeah, it's expensive. This is for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna make a special dessert.
What is this? Oh, okay.
These only fall and winter, and then they go away. I don't know why. We had a hard time looking for this when we were doing the... what were we doing? Oh, marshmallow strawberries.
We were being quiet and peaceful.
Nope. We happened to get home at the same time. Got broccoli. Oh, do you like these? You asked for...
Listen, dude, I'm not washing them.
But do you like them?
Yeah, they're just peppers. I mean, not as much as big peppers.
Well,
They're okay. I don't like the texture of them that much.
I didn't have to go to Smith's.
You're supposed to get those from Costco, bro.
They didn't have them at Costco.
Bruh.
Oh, Tim's gonna make us some broccoli, steamed broccoli.
I'm not... No.
And I got a small bag. I didn't get a big bag. So we're all veggie loaded
I
up.
got up at 3:30 a.m.
I know. All right. And then I got a little 4-pack of kiwi.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's it. That's the haul. Look at this beautiful salad I made. It has bell pepper, crispy jalapenos from Trader Joe's, carrots, a little bit of glazed pecans, and my homemade apple cider vinaigrette dressing. Bon appetit! It's lunchtime.